Hey guys, it's Angela from the blog, AngelaMarieMade.com, and today I'm going to show you how to build a DIY entryway bench for less than $10 in lumber and using only one piece of wood. For this project, you only need one 2x12 at 8 feet long, and I had my home improvement store make the cuts for me to save time, but you can easily make the cuts yourself using a miter saw or a table saw. So for this bench project, you only need to make 3 cuts. The first 2 cuts are at 16.5 inches long, which are for your bench sides, and then the third cut is 26 inches long for your bench shelf, and then that leaves about 37 inches worth of wood, which is for your bench top, and there will be no leftover scrap wood from this project, so you're using the entire piece of wood up. A link to the material list and step-by-step tutorial is linked below, so check that out. Alright, let's get started with that build. To begin, use a Craig jig and add 2 pocket holes to the top side of the 16.5 inch bench sides. Then add 2 pocket holes to each end of the 26 inch bench shelf. Next, measure and mark 3 inches up from the bottom of each bench side piece. Then attach the 26 inch bench shelf board at these marks with a drill and 2.5 inch Craig screws. I stopped being lazy and got my Craig right angle clamp out to help with this step. Center the bench bottom upside down on top of the bench top. There should be about 4 inches of overhang on each side of the bench sides. So this is the part where I had mom brain, and I realized that I should have attached the bench sides to the bench top first rather than doing the bench shelf first, because I had to use different size Craig drill bits to get my drill in between the shelf and the bench top to drill the Craig screws in. But you can do it this way if you have different size drill bits or a smaller drill, or you can make it easier on yourself and attach the bench sides and bench top first and then add the shelf. Either way works. Once the step is complete, flip your bench over and your DIY entryway bench build is complete. Now it's time to pick a finish for it. For the finish of the bench, you can either paint, stain, or apply a weathered wood finish. I choose to apply a weathered gray finish. It's one of my favorite finishes, and I've linked a quick and easy tutorial on how I did that below. I just love how quick, easy, and cheap this project turned out to be, and how it provides cute yet functional storage and seating right by my front door. Let me know if you have any questions about this bench project in the comments below. And please subscribe to my channel for more DIY projects and decor for the home. Thank you so much for stopping by.